Hi, it's Lee, Finding Country, Derbyshire. Market update report for you, September. This month, some real breaking news. Just been announced that stamp duty is being reviewed by the government with immediate effect. Basically, £2,500 saving for the majority of the people that are currently purchasing a house at the moment. For first-time buyers, there is exemption up to a price of £425,000. So steps to try and help maintain the housing market are obviously welcomed by ourselves as agents. There has definitely been evidence about a decline in transactions and threats that are going to push house prices down. Those threats still do remain, obviously, so it'll be interesting to see whether all the tax saving measures that have been announced today do have any major impact into what was another announcement we had yesterday given to us about interest rates now rising to the highest level for 14 years, up to 2.25%, and the news that the UK is heading into a recession. So yes, steps being taken. Will it have a massive impact? Will the saving on stamp duty actually offset the long-term cost of your mortgage? Well, probably not, but we will see. Anyway, just to update you what's happening locally in Derbyshire. Still an active market, still selling homes, a good supply of property currently coming to the market at the moment as well. For those that watch this report every single month, look at the supply and demand numbers and a changing picture again when it comes down to supply and demand. Within the total market, we now see that 59% of homes are under offer. Go back 4 months ago, 75% of homes, 3/4 of the market were under offer. We're now down to 59% of the market. Applying some market segmentation into that, if you have a home which is between £500,000 to £1 million, we're now looking at 45% of those homes being under offer. So actually it's changed it into a buyer's market, really. Still relatively balanced, but heading into more of a buyer's market if people are selling a home between 500 to £1 million. Peak of that was at 49% a few months ago. So it hasn't changed anywhere near as much as the total end of the market. And the final number to give you, if you're selling a home £1 million and above, we are now looking at 36.5% of those homes being under offer. This end of the market, the supply and demand figure hasn't really changed. This was at 38% a few months ago, which again was at its peak. It's never been much different to that. So it shows that if you've got a large property, there is still strong demand for those sorts of homes. £500,000 to £1 million, good activity, balanced-ish market. We need to maintain and monitor that figure just to see what happens. And it is that lower end of the market, as I say, where supply has gone from 75% under offer down to 59% of the offer under offer. But if the government are now trying to support that end of the market with these stamp duty savings, it could be a really good move. I hope that's useful for you. Any questions, give me a call on the following contact details.